Welcome viewers, this is question and answer for exit exam on team 5 for management students. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. Manufacturing organization converts raw materials into finished good while controlling efficiency and quality. Which managerial function is primarily involved? A. Operational management. B. Financial management. C. Human resource management. D. Marketing management. E. Strategic management. The answer for this question is A. Operational management. Question number 2. A company aligns production capability with competitive properties such as cost, speed, flexibility. Which concept is emphasized? A. Facility planning. B. Operations strategy. C. Inventory scheduling. D. Production forecasting. E. Capacity balancing. The answer for this question is B. Operations strategy. Question number 3. A business redesigns product features to satisfy changing customers' expectations while minimizing production complexity. Which decision area is involved? A. Facility location. B. Capacity planning. C. Product design. D. Aggregate schedule. E. Inventory balancing. The answer for this question is C. Product design. Question number 4. A factory determines the maximum volume of output achievable under normal operating conditions. Which activity is being performed? A. Product sequencing. B. Quality inspection. C. Inventory valuation. D. Capacity planning. E. Facility mapping. The answer for this question is D. Capacity planning. Question number 5. A company selects a production site by evaluating transportation cost, labor availability, and marketing accessibility. Which decision is represented? A. Product scheduling. B. Process balancing. C. Inventory allocation. D. Quality management. E. Facility location. The answer for this question is A. Facility location. Question number 6. A manager arranges machines and departments to minimize unnecessary movement and delay during production. Which concept is applied? A. Facility location. B. Aggregate planning. C. Demand forecasting. D. Resource leveling. E. Product sequencing. The answer for this question is A. Facility layout. Question number 7. A firm continuously monitors defects and production standards to maintain customer satisfaction. Which function is emphasized? A. Facility planning. B. Quality management. C. Inventory scheduling. D. Capacity balancing. E. Process selection. The answer for this question is B. Quality management. Question number 8. A production manager balances workforce size and production rate according to expected future demand. Which activity is represented? A. Product valuation. B. Inventory classification. C. Aggregate planning. D. Capacity allocation. A. Facility scheduling. The answer for this question is C. Aggregate planning. Question number 9. A financial manager estimates future cash inflows and outflows before selecting investment alternatives. Which process is involved? A. Auditing. B. Accounting. C. Asset allocation. D. Financial planning. E. Revenue balancing. The answer for this question is D. Financial planning. Question number 10. An investor compares present and future monetary value before choosing among investment opportunities. Which principle is emphasized? A. Asset diversification. B. Liquidity preference. C. Risk balancing. D. Revenue forecasting. E. Time value of money. The answer for this question is E. Time value of money. Question number 11. A company estimates the worth of shares and bonds before purchasing them for investment purpose. Which process is involved? A. Security valuation. B. Product forecasting. C. Capacity balancing. D. Cost allocation. E. Demand estimation. The answer for this question is A. Security valuation. Question number 12. A firm compares expected project returns with investment cost before selecting one alternatives. Which decision area is involved? A. Dividend allocation. B. Capital budgeting. C. Liquidity scheduling. D. Inventory valuation. E. Revenue balancing. The answer for this question is B. Capital budgeting. Question number 13. Managers use mathematical model to improve resource utilization and organizational decision making. Which field is represented? A. Strategic management. B. Financial accounting. C. Operations research. D. Human relations. E. Market forecasting. The answer is C. Operations research. Question number 14. A company allocates limited resource among competing activities while maximizing profit under constraints. Which quantitative technique is most suitable? A. Simulation modeling. B. Q analysis. C. Forecasting analysis. D. Linear programming. E. Ratio analysis. The answer for this question is D. Linear programming. Question number 15. A logistics manager determines the least cost allocation of goods from warehouses to retail destinations while satisfying supply and demand condition. Which model is applied? A. Scheduling model. B. Forecasting model. C. Regression model. D. Assignment model. D. Transportation model. The answer for this question is A. Transportation model. Question number 16. A manager evaluates alternatives under uncertain market condition to select the most beneficial option. Which concept is applied? A. Decision theory. B. Product sequencing. C. Capacity analysis. D. Facility balancing. A. Inventory scheduling. The answer is A. Decision theory. Question number 17. A project manager identifies the sequence of activities determining the minimum completion time for a project. Which model is most appropriate? A. Transportation model. B. Network model. C. Inventory model. D. Queue model. A. Simulation model. The answer for this question is B. Network model. Question number 18. A service organization seeks to reduce customer waiting time by balancing service capacity with arrival rate. Which analytical technique is emphasized? A. Transportation analysis. B. Inventory modeling. C. Q analysis. D. Regression analysis. E. Break-even analysis. The answer for this question is D. Regression analysis. Question number 19. A company estimates the sales level where total revenue equals total operational cost. A company estimates the sales level where total revenue equals total operational cost. Which technique is best applied? A. Resource allocation. B. Probability estimation. C. Capital valuation. D. Break-even analysis. E. Network analysis. The answer for this question is D. Break-even analysis. Question number 20. A manufacturer maintains sufficient stock level to avoid interruption during production operation. Which activity is represented? A. Demand forecasting. B. Capacity balancing. C. Product scheduling. D. Facility allocation. E. Inventory management. The answer for this question is A. Inventory management. Question number 21. A financial manager compares financing alternatives and selects the option with the lowest required return. Which principle is emphasized? A. Cost of capital. B. Revenue allocation. C. Asset turnover. D. Liquidity balancing. E. Market segmentation. The answer for this question is A. Cost of capital. Question number 22. A company examines ratios and financial statements to evaluate organizational performance and stability. Which process is being conducted? A. Capital budgeting. B. Financial analysis. C. Inventory evaluation. C. Inventory evaluation. D. Capacity scheduling. E. Marketing forecasting. The answer for this question is B. Financial analysis. Question number 23. A manager uses mathematical equation to maximize output while considering labor and material limitation. Which quantitative tool is primarily applied? A. Simulation analysis. B. Q analysis. C. Linear programming. D. Forecasting analysis. E. Ratio analysis. The answer for this question is C. Linear programming. Question number 24. A firm evaluates operational alternatives by considering efficiency, cost reduction, and resource optimization simultaneously. Which managerial approach is demonstrated? A. Classical approach. B. Behavioral approach. C. Human relation approach. D. Quantitative approach. E. Administrative approach. The answer for this question is D. Quantitative approach. Question number 25. A business integrates forecasting, scheduling, inventory control, and resource utilization to improve organizational productivity. Which discipline most comprehensively support these activities? A. Strategic management. B. Financial management. C. Marketing management. D. Human resource management. E. Operations management. The answer is A. Operations management. This is all about question and answer on team 5 of model exam questions. Thank you viewers for attending this program.